This is a Philips stereo radio cassette recorder that I bought on a flea market. The first thing, of course, is to take off all the dust. The receiver works. This is FM stereo. Well, I have to clean the potentiometers. I have to spray them. So, will the cassette recorder work after 36 years? No. A broken belt can be replaced. The broken wire to the motor can be fixed. To repair the broken gear for the tape transport is difficult. So I'll concentrate to clear the potentiometers for the amplifier and the tone control. So finally I will connect to the line input and listen to the speakers.